me everyone today. I'm doing the squishy dares. Oh my god. Okay, so let's get started. Sorry. So I don't have slime with me. I have foam. So I'm just gonna. I was just gonna say a little bit. Try it. So it's kind of hard to see, but the foam is actually still rising. So it's pretty weird. So yeah. There it is. Guys, I finally worked hard and got it out without having any foam beads on it. Yay. The next year, I know that I have way more dares to do, but I'm just doing this next one. Next one is to cut a squishy, and since I'm going to be cutting a little bit of squishies, each squishy, and I'm going to have to cut a squishy in half. So the first squishy I'll be cutting is this I almost said ivory soccer ball. It's just this crush ball. I will be cutting as you can see on another video, I already cut this part, but I'm going to be cutting a bigger slice. And I'm going to be cutting right here. Not big enough. Video game. So yeah. Next, I have to cut another squishy, so let's get started. I'm going to cut a part of this donut, so let's get started. So I cut this slit right there, and no, look, it's so delicate. Like, look at this. It's just gonna. So I guess I ripped it. So, and I'm gonna cut another one. I'm gonna be cutting this My Melody bun. Cutting this side. I mean, it's not big of a cut, but now it is. So it's a slit there, a slit there, a slit there, and more slits. Yeah. Now I'm going to, lastly, I have to actually cut a real squishy in half, so I'm going to cut this eye bloom, like the way I just got yesterday. Get ready. JK, I'm not doing that. It's fine. Yeah, I'm going to be cutting this, sorry, my voice, this panda toast. You can see. Oh, that was actually surprisingly easy. Did you see that? It popped right off. Did you literally see that? Sorry for that. It popped right off. Like, I just went slit, because this like type of foam is like a sponge foam, so it's kind of easy to cut. Like, look at this. Yeah, it's really easy to cut. So yeah, that explains a lot. So like, if you just go, it's just gonna come off. Dude, that was so easy. Like, that was so satisfying and easy. Yeah, so I'm just randomly squishing squishies. Next there, put rubber bands around a squishy, and let's get started. Oh, so basically I'm finally done, and here it is. So sorry about the background noise. So as you can see, I was failing 1,000 times, but it's actually, it's falling off. But I'm going to, sorry about the really bad background noise. So once again, my brother is playing a game. Oh, did you hear that? So it's still being squished, and I'm just going to, sorry about the background noise. My dad's telling Aiden to please, my brother to turn down the music. So I was just randomly squishing squishies, but that's all I have for this Squishy Dare video. I know it's not a lot of squishies, but I mean, that's what I'm doing, so that's all I have in mind. So I'm trying to think of more things to do, but I don't know what to do. Put makeup on a squishy. How about we do that? Okay. Turns out I'm not doing makeup on a squishy. I'm going to be doing tape on a squishy, so I have tape with me. So let's choose a squishy. I have chosen this, my Melody bun, so I will put tape on it, and I'll be right back. Turns out I put like 20 pieces of tape on this. Oh, like 20 pieces of tape on this, but the tape is rising. I'm going to try to. Okay, this is so cool because it's like it's not rising because it's not enough air. So I'm going to attempt to take this tape off and show you if it gets any defects. Also, when I take the tape off, I have to rip it because it's against the rules to go very slow. Okay, let's just peel this. So it turns out I peeled the whole face off. Other than that, congratulations. Wow, yay. It was incredible. I love this squishy for so long, and it died on me. It dropped a bomb on me. There is the beautiful face, my Melody. Rip you. Whoa. Okay, so I'm going to show you something afterwards. Let me just, peel this tape off. So might as well. Oh my God. So I just ripped the whole thing off, so nothing left. That weirdest little dots. So, in the process, I ripped that, and that, and that, and that, and that. And now this part is all clean, while this part's dirty, which is so weird. But, I mean, yeah, now it's really sticky, so that's all I have in this squishy video. Oh, wait.